Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Precision Auto Works and Eric, we have his 2001 Dodge Viper GTS. This one's lowered on BC coilovers, has K&N intake, and a Borla exhaust. And this is the first time I've ever driven a Viper. This is what is known as the Gen 2. So, as crazy as it's gonna sound, this is a little bit more tame than the Gen 1 in the aspect of this is the first year that they offered ABS. So, hey, we got that. I was absolutely terrified to drive this car. I've never driven a Viper. I've only heard terrifying things. I have to say, it's not as scary as I thought when I'm just driving it normal. You start to enjoy the car, it's pretty terrifying with a big 8-liter V10 under the hood with more torque than horsepower. Yeah. So, obviously this one is in great shape. Now, this is, I believe, the only generation, Gen 2, that didn't have side pipes, because I know Gen 3 and Gen 4 did, and I know for a fact Gen 5 did. However, it's still hot, and you really want to avoid what's known as a snake bite, where you burn the back of your leg on the exhaust. I've done it. It hurts more than you can imagine. I did it a couple years ago when I sat in a Gen 4 car. Yeah, it is. Let me just try to avoid doing it. The pedal situation, my clutch and brake are over here. There is no dead pedal, and the throttle, so the brake here, throttle's up here. It took me a lot to get used to, and I'm still getting used to it. Also, the other thing to get used to, your seatbelt. You'll instinctively reach over here, you'll never find it. It's right here. Also, short throw shifter kit. It is very, very much a cockpit. There isn't a lot of room to move around. I'm heavier set, but I'm actually somewhat comfortable. I'm not like, get me out of this car immediately. Clutch, I was told, is very, very jumpy. It's actually not bad. The thing has so much torque that I'm not giving it gas, and I can ease off the clutch pretty quickly. The thing is, there's no dead pedal, so my foot is trying to always find some place to sit, and oh yeah, give me a little air. Here's the best way I can describe this car. I feel my chest hair growing as I drive it. This is the most American thing since apple pie and hot dogs. Oh, I do have a green. Let's go. This is ridiculous. Floor it. Be an Ultima. You can't merge on the highway doing 20. What a machine, man. right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.